Okay, there's something I decided to do since I've got the chain case open, and I'm going to be putting some Cudney Go Fast parts on this machine. Basically going to do everything that he offers for the 1200. And one of the things is a new helix. Of course, the helix is right here. Now, the problem with the way Skidoo sends out these QRS secondaries is the back side of this, if you can see those bolts, those are Torx bolts, and the problem is you can't get those off. So basically, to get those off to take the helix apart, well, you need a special tool, first of all, which I have from Chris over at CT. But the nice thing is that's this tool here. This will basically take the secondary apart. So we got that for in the future. I don't have the parts right now to put into the clutch, but my theory here is that while I'm here, I decided to take this bolt out, which is right here. Okay, so we got that out. That's the top jack shaft. Now I've got